couple of tool reviews. This is, I don't know which one I should put in there. I got one of these, which is a general wire index thing here. I don't know if you can see that. Came in a box of stuff, and I'm not doing all the stuff at once, but it's I don't know if you can see that. There's nothing on that side. I probably should just give it a scrubby scrub and clean it down. You can see it's, what does it say? For machine screwed taps. So anyway, tap index. I also got this really cool thing. It is, I don't know if this is homemade or what, but it looks pretty homemade. I'm guessing it's I don't know, a guide for rods. I don't know, is it homemade? It's definitely brass, because you can tell what brass looks like. It's pretty cool. That's a pretty neat thing. There's also, what else I got? Got a couple of old hammers, these things. There's not much, I'm not going to put anything too exciting in this video, because I want to save it for the other ones. This, I've always wanted one, like, I wanted to make one of these, but I don't have a big enough piece of oak. This one's pretty much obliterated. I don't even know why. But the handle's cracked too in two places. Somebody abused this thing. But you know what? It's got a little bit of life left in it. I can use it. And it's gonna, I don't know, maybe it's, looks like maybe it's been patched. See, there's a double like thing here. Yeah, maybe somebody, I don't know. That's weird. It's cracked in a weird way. But anyway, I got this one, which is nothing to write home about. And I got this one, which is much nicer. The handle's in good shape. Looks like there was, I don't get it. How do you get side marks in a hammer? Are you beating it like this? It's and it's like, and it's, people don't realize, like, I know wooden mallets, you can make a new one, but I don't think you're really meant to be beating up, you know, pieces of titanium and getting, like, you know, a couple of good taps and something. But what were they thinking when they did this? I don't know if you can see it. It's mushed this way. See, somebody was having a beat down on this thing. Like, whose skull was on there? Oh, there's no blood marks, so there's no skulls. There was that. And let's see what else we got here. I have oh, this is cool. I want to do a video on it by itself. I want to actually try it. But, oh wait. Yeah. Oh, there's this hammer right here. This one. This is a Box Terrier warranted forged steel. It's the Bridgeport something made in USA. Sorry, I have to read it in the light. I don't know if you can read that right there. Wait, I'll see if I can hit it. See, there's that lettering right there, and there's this side right here. If you could read that. It's a little tiny mini. I'm guessing it's a box opener. I think it'll open a crate, maybe. I know I've seen people tell them they're old tools for cranking crates open. This is pretty cool. This is what I want to do a separate video on. Is this? This is a hand router. Yeah, it's not a planer, it's a router. But they're pretty cool. You can sit there and I would like to get another blade for it, a little thinner one, or maybe make one. If you look at it, it's actually pretty nice. I don't know. This doesn't look, I mean, for all I know, it is homemade. I don't know if it is homemade or it's not homemade, but it's got, you know, it's pretty cool. I don't know how the hell. I'm guessing this is nailed in there. This is got a little thing. I don't know if they sanded it down. There's the bottom piece. So it's just jimmied in there somehow. There's a brass bolt on the back here. A little adjustment knob right here, which doesn't want to move apparently. So it's got a, but I want to try this. I want to make some. I could have used that making my sign that I had to put up, but this is pretty cool. This batch has a few woodworking tools. I don't generally buy one, but after I'm done, I'm going to hang this in my store, because probably the hammer too. This next piece, I haven't the slightest clue what it is. I didn't look this up on eBay, but it's got a, I think this is a, if I think this is what it is, I have a, I don't know if this is, see, goes like so. I don't know. It clearly unwinds something. See, it goes. See, it's not a cotter pin puller because that one just pulls it backward. So I don't know. It's a rope winder or something. See, anybody know what this is? It's brass on it. There's a screw missing. It's like me. It's got a screw loose. It's actually pretty cool. I'm assuming the handle's been taken off at one point. This little piece was, I put this lower so you can see what I'm playing with. But yeah, it spins, back spins. That's kind of cool. I like that. This other thing I know is some sort of chisel. What the hell it was chiseled for. See, it's got a little shovel on it. I'm guessing it's for going like, it's got a little, guessing you could push on it. Something. It's definitely for pushing. This piece looks like it's welded in there somehow. See, there's like a thing right there and right there. I don't think there's any markings on it. None that I can find. I'm guessing it's old because they don't sell these at Home Depot. Nobody could probably use it as a spoon. Eat my ice cream. But that's another woodworking tool I got, which is pretty cool. There was something else I wanted to show. Yeah, I don't I think I left it all in there. But anyway, that's the little tool thing. I want to try this out. I should, what I'd like to do is polish this. Put it on my, what do you call it? Buffing wheel and buff the hell out of it. Maybe sand this down. That's definitely been put on a lathe. I don't know if it's glued on there, screwed. Oh yeah, it's peened on there, see? It's been peened on and sanded. So basically I'll just oil it. Should I take the patina off and make it turn into high gloss chrome? Probably not. Anyway, that's the first thing I got for you. These are cool. I like these. That's some of the woodworking stuff. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me how you like the videos, and toodles. Thanks for watching.